Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making a dessert. This recipe Daniel found and wanted me to try it. It's similar to the Oreo pie recipe I make, but this is chocolate peanut butter pie. You're going to need for the crust 16 ounces of peanut butter sandwich cookies and 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. This is a 25 ounce, so I won't use the whole pack. For the chocolate layer, you're just going to need a box of chocolate instant pudding, the 3.9 ounce, and 1.5 cups of milk. For the cream cheese layer, you're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese, which will be the half of this cream cheese, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and a half a cup of peanut butter. And for the whip topping layer, you'll need Cool Whip, half a cup of milk chocolate chips, and a half a cup of peanut butter chips. And you'll also, from your cookies, you'll take 8 to 9 of your cookies out and reserve that for the topping. Okay, I weighed out the cookies, the 16 ounces, and I took out about 8 cookies for the topping. So now I'm going to crush them up. You can just use a rolling pin or a Ziploc bag and crush them up. I'm just going to use my food processor. Okay, I got my crumbs. This is like an 8.5 by 11 pan. I've got it buttered. I'm going to be doing something different from the recipe. It calls, after you get the cookies and the butter mixed up, to bake it in the oven 350 for 10 minutes. I'm not going to bake it. I do this same thing with Oreo pie, and I don't bake it and it turns out fine. So it just, if you bake it, you're going to have to let it cool off. I'm just going to mix the butter in here and press this down in the pan. Just get it mixed up the best you can. And then just press it down. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for 30 minutes to an hour. In the meantime, we'll fix some of the layers. While the crust is getting set, we're going to make our chocolate pudding, which is just mixing your milk and your pudding mixture. You can make your own if you want. I'll have to try that sometime. Just mix. I think it calls for like 2 minutes. Mix. And then we'll set this in the refrigerator and let it set up. Okay, for the cream cheese layer, we're going to raise this up. Add our cream cheese. We're going to mix this until it's creamed up. Okay, we got that mixed up. We're going to add our peanut butter. And we're going to cream that together. Now I'm just going to scrape down the sides. And add a little bit of the powdered sugar. That way everything won't fly away. Start off slow. Okay, add the rest. I'll scrape this down and mix it a little bit more. Okay, I'll put this in the refrigerator, and it's about time to put the first layer on. And I bet you know what I did. I added the whole cream cheese. You're supposed to just add half. I'm going to leave it. I may add a little bit more peanut butter and powdered sugar. Don't do that. Okay, that looks better. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and get started on the first layer of the pie. Okay, we're going to put on the first layer, the chocolate pudding. Just going to dollop it. And then spread it out. Okay, we'll go on to the next layer. We'll do the same thing with the cream cheese mixture. And we'll just spread this out. Got a little bit of chocolate on top. It's okay. Okay, now we're going to take the whipped topping. Do the same thing. Spread that out. And if you want, you make some little designs in it. Now we're going to take our crumbs that we reserved. And now sprinkle some the chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. And there you go. We're going to set this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Let it sit up. And then we'll give it a try. Here it is out of the refrigerator. We're going to give it a taste test. Okay, we got it all plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Jump in, buddy. Yeah, I'll just grab mine.
Delicious.
Definitely a keeper.
Okay. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us. Have a great weekend.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. For From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams, one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching, from near and far. Your support, it brightens, just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams, one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.